Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Ooh, Bumbleclot. The fuckery there. The fuckery continues. Demarco answer fully bad. That one named Fully Dead. Official war video. But wait. So the boss got video. Same say Fully Bad got 2 video. So him got video. Cause the last one he never got video. No. He never got video. So we there now. Oh, you gonna jump into that one here. Guys, Bumbleclot. Before we jump into that one here, please I beg you, take a look at this. Sorry to cut your reactions video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me on my DM, link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in Jamaica_verse_gamer, reach out and we can talk. So we have price for 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something. You understand? So let's get back to the video. Alright, now you do that. Let's go.
Some man a be a cat, they keep some boy. Farmer, no gun, batty boy. No gun, no.
That intro, yeah.
Keep some boy. Farmer, no gun, batty boy.
Directed by Demarco. Oh my God, Fully Dead, an origin story. Directed by Bumbleclot. Produced by AJAL. I say name AJAL or AJAL? AJAL.
No gun, no.
Let's go.
No crime. No crime, no Bumbleclot, no gun, no murder, nobody puts a be cap, no cap.
Cap, no cap.
Like batty boy, me murder Bumbleclot here.
Man say cap fully. Man say him have him gun in real life and he will murder your Bumbleclot. Here. Let's go. I hope this one is full of more shooting and one bag of thing. Then let's go. Ready? Cap, let's go.
Batty boy stop one down, my skin fitting on my clothes. Yeah, bitch inna the road, you need a clip inna your nose. Bodo dust badness must sniff inna the coke. Your baby mother Judith still a piss inna your throat.
Hey! Wait! Batty boy stop wonder how me a fit in my clothes. In a Fully Bad song, he mentioned something, say him a wonder how Demarco fit in him clothes. And them a say yo about Dodos badness, you must see a safety coke. Cause you don't know say Christopher Coke, Dodos, yeah? But so he must say hold on.
Batty boy stop one down, my skin fitting on my clothes. Yeah, bitch inna the road, you need a clip inna your nose. Bodo dust badness must sniff inna the coke.
But Dodos badness must still. I got that part right.
Baby mother Judith still a piss inna your throat.
Baby mother Judith. So him start doing research now. This I get serious now. Him know names. So Fully Bad, somebody will know you and give out information for you now. Oh God.
Bodo dust badness must sniff inna the coke. Baby mother Judith still a piss inna your throat. But me can't go back a piece. You must be sick inna your dome pussy. Your shots now connect. You need a chip inna your phone.
But me can't go back a piece. You must say you're sick in your dome. You're sick in your fucking head. You're sick in your head, gathering fucking pain. Like what wrong with you?
But me can't go back a piece. You must be sick in your dome pussy. Your shots now connect. You need a chip in your phone.
Man say your shots now connect. You need a chip in your phone fully. Man say your shots them where you have fire in your last and never connect. None never connect. You want a chip in your phone. That's what he say now.
But me can't go back a piece. You must be sick in your dome pussy. Your shots now connect. You need a chip in your phone. No badness in your bone. Pussy keep in your zone. Thugs them a bag of lane. Say my bitch in your own puppy tail.
Thugs them a bag of lane. Say your bitch in your
in your bone, pussy keep in your zone. Thugs them a bag of lane, say my bitch in her own puppy tail in her wish face. She get the dick straight. She must be sick in your dome, pussy your shots now connect. You need a chip in your phone, no badness in your bone. Pussy keep in your zone. Thugs them a bag of lane, say my bitch in her own puppy tail in her wish face. She get the dick straight. She love the big weight. This a no clickbait.
In a Fully Bad song, Fully Bad say Renee 630 puppy. Big up Renee. Fully Bad say Renee 630 puppy tail in a Demarco face. Demarco say puppy tail in a rich face. She get the dick straight. And that the So to the boss I say in Clark Renee then. When I know Renee become herself.
Puppy tail in a wish face. She get the dick straight. She love the big weight. This a no clickbait.
She love the big weight. This a no clickbait. She love the big weight. This a no clickbait. So the boss I say, yo, she love the Papa Bear style, you know? Yeah. Yeah, she love the
tail in a wish face. She get the dick straight. She love the big weight. This a no clickbait. I wear the batty boy fully bad fish face. Find that in a bush with an hand foot misplaced.
I want the batty boy fully bad. You find that in a bush with a hand and foot misplaced. No longer there. Bumbo class, find it over there somewhere. Dig up.
The batty boy fully bad fish face. Find that in a bush with an hand foot misplaced. Pussy not hard, not the special. Make me dark up in metal and not drive by. Walk and clot up in petrol.
The man say fully bad not talk nothing special. Fully bad where you ABC you say. Him say everything where you say him here already. Him say you're not. Him say you're not fully bad. Him say you are not fully bad. That is what Demarco saying, not me. So when nobody come and say, come tell him say yo, me up on this. Me up on the bumbo club body side. Music me I do. Alright? Music me I do. Me an artist though. Let's go.
Pussy not hard, not the special. Make me dark up in metal and not drive by. Walk and clot up in petrol. Make we start up the session. Now last 30 seconds. Rusty weapon. My bag of ras clot up in the pan.
Bumbo clot. Go. More gun in this. More gun in this.
Pussy not hard, not the special. Make me dark up in metal and not drive by. Walk and clot up in petrol.
Pussy not hard, not special. Me clot up in metal. Walk by. What?
Pussy not hard, not the special. Make me dark up in metal and not drive by. Walk and clot up in petrol.
Walk and clot up in petrol. So the man never drive. The man does a walk.
Pussy not hard, not the special. Make me dark up in metal and not drive by. Walk and clot up in petrol. Make we start up the session. Now last 30 seconds.
Make we start up the session. Him not last 30 seconds. Demarco say fully bad not last 30 seconds against him.
I'll not drive by. Walk and clot up in petrol. Make we start up the session. Now last 30 seconds. Rusty weapon. My bag of ras clot up in the pan.
Rusty weapon where bag of ras clot up in the pan. So you know say the weapon that dirty. The weapon that is not
really star. I know the pussy no visit back up a squeaky bar. Small man clap it over head. The pussy flee the tar. No.
Bumbo clot. These are specific information. News just in. Specific information coming from Demarco about Fully Bad and what is going on and what is happening. Further on in the news, the man said you can't go back up a squeaky bar. Cause them clot one over your head and you cut.
I know the pussy no visit back up a squeaky bar. Small man clap it over head, the pussy flee the tar. Never know say fully fast, faster than a CBR. Boss.
Never know say fully fast, faster than a CBR. Say ma change the name from Fully Bad to Fully...
Small man clap it over head, the pussy flee the tar. Never know say fully fast, faster than a CBR. Boss swallow G-string, pussy at the lead guitar. You know...
Boss swallow G-string. So ma address. So, the difference between Fully and Demarco address a lot of things where Fully Bad I say. Fully Bad not really address nothing. I get why. Cause Fully Bad is the one where put out where I say, and then Demarco for answer back. But Fully Bad, you need to answer back certain things where Demarco address, bro. You need to answer that too, my bro.
I know the pussy no visit back up a squeaky bar. Small man clap it over head, the pussy flee the tar.
Like the line there. Cause the man a draw allegation say, them clout something over your head, and you faster than a CBR, and I know you not reach. Hey! Aye! Tell him, my brother.
I know the pussy no visit back up a squeaky bar. Small man clap it over head, the pussy flee the tar. Never know say fully fast, faster than a CBR. Boss swallow G-string, pussy at the lead guitar. You know killer, beard up his story. Me care go for glory, me raise up the trophy.
Bumbo clad, you no killer. Beard up his story, me care go for glory.
Lead guitar, you know killer. Beard up his story, me care go for glory. Me raise up the trophy. Your batty man friend run go key man. Two of them a gay man, that's why them have a page if he query them shaky.
Hey! Wait! Who are these people that he's singing about? Him a doing homework in a one day? In a one day do so much homework? Yes, say in Batman friend them. In Batman friend got key man, him have to what?
Man friend run go key man. Two of them a gay man, that's why them have a page if he query them.
The Batman friend run got key man, the two of them are gay man, that's why them have a page if he query.
The Batman friend run go key man. Two of them a gay man, that's why them have a page if he query them shaky. Some a can tough, we no grab bag, man a rob, and a hands up a straight bullet in a face when
And no hands up. The master say, yo, him not go upon a robbery. Anybody him shoot him not for rob them because him done retire, him don't have the money already. So I'm upon the robbing thing with them.
Some can tough, we no grab bag, man a rob. And no hands up a straight bullet in a face when Jabba can do. What day me say no gun song, now me no bother conscious. Ready for
what day he did say that. He make a post where they say, yo, him not sing no more gun song. Him say him no bother conscious a bumbo clot. War is in the air.
Straight bullet in a face when Jabba can do. What day me say no gun song, now me no bother conscious. Ready for flick couple of them. Which battle land for? Big up the earth, people for bury make matter land cuss.
The other part, yeah? The man say me ready for flip. Me ready for flick couple of them. Which battle land first? So, him a say is more than capable of warring with multiple artists at the same time. So which other artists are going to show out? Show out!
He's up a straight bullet in a face when Jabba can do. What day me say no gun song, now me no bother conscious. Ready for flip couple of them. Which battle land first? Big up the earth, people for bury make matter land cuss. Fully pada clash me now, but got a fan fuss. The pussy want for bust it so sad and unjust.
The pussy a clash me now. But remember, he was always a fan first. He still is a fan. That is what Demarco is saying. You see me? Yeah.
Ready for flick couple of them. Which battle land for? Big up the earth, people for bury make matter land cuss. Fully pada clash me now, but got a fan fuss. The pussy want for bust it so sad and unjust. The
pussy want for bust by clashing me. It is so sad and unjust because him little dreams and aspiration when they ever becoming a dancehall artist, me I go take it to him, I go kill him. Fully bad. I thought him say
fully pada clash me now, but got a fan fuss. The pussy want for bust it so sad and unjust. The shit belly line you a live pan. Tell the rubbish pan. Glen Drive said the boy dive in a fish pan.
Man said the shit belly line where you live pan. So you call him shit belly because him belly big. Brother, that played out you know. That's how the G said.
Me know, but got a fan fuss. The pussy want for bust it so sad and unjust. The shit belly line you a live pan. Tell the rubbish pan. Glen Drive said the boy dive in a fish pan.
Tell the rubbish pan. Glen Drive said the boy dive in a rubbish pan.
Find him in a ditch land. Fly then get a quick yam. Bo Baghdad me find out them a Christian. Hey.
Bo Baghdad. Nothing about Baghdad. Nothing. You're Christian. Good Christian. Front bench at church. That's what the G say.
Play me lift one. No play me clip long. Resting as up on the pussy mouth like lip balm. Tick man.
Resting as up on the pussy mouth like lip balm. That part they bad. That bad.
Play me lift one. No play me clip long. Resting as up on the pussy mouth like lip balm. Tick man. Feel we gonna fire pan kickstand. Big Dan. Tell us them boy they not live long.
The man say feel we gonna fire pan kickstand. So you know say him gonna have to put pan a tripod settings and knock it cause a big gun it heavy. Then say yo tell him say nah live long.
Man, feel we gonna fire pan kickstand. Big Dan, tell us them boy they nah live long. But him a bandolier with your barrow markets, me send the gang for jail you.
But yeah, bandolier, he did mention Pinchers bandolier in him song, Fully Bad did. But the marker answer, bro. The man say, in your borrowed markets. Mama say, the man say, you never buy your markets fully. The man say, you borrow it. He might go say, man, send a gang for chill you.
They not live long, but him a bandolier. With your borrow markets, me send the gang for jail you. Where they done for save you, the response way do. Bullet your friend them on your life, we get confiscated too. All of a sudden, them a sing a better DJ, bitch.
All of a sudden, them a sing a better DJ, bitch. So he must say, yo, you sing. I'm not singing normally sing. A DJ normally DJ, but the marker is showing you his versatility.
It's your friend them on your life, we get confiscated too. All of a sudden, them a sing a better DJ, bitch. But man a fat fuck your little female, bitch.
But man a fat fuck your little female, bitch. Yeah, man say, yo, as a G, you're not supposed to see a next man wait. And I make it be a thing to you.
Catch up on this court, nobody feel me and miss. Somebody help the pussy cause him need the assist. Boy,
somebody help the pussy cause him need the assist. Bumbo clot. Listen, what did he just do a while ago? When just do a while ago? Him just call out other artists. Somebody help him because him need the assist. So him tell us, listen, I'm more than capable of what? That's the second time in the song him refer to more than one artist, bro.
Let me catch up on this court, nobody feel me and miss. Somebody up the pussy cause him need the assist. Boy, you dog like your lungs, better leave the chalice full.
Yo, smarty help the pussy cause him need that line there. I show you how brave him is, him ready dog.
No man a fat fuck your little female bitch. When me catch up on this court, nobody feel me and miss. Somebody up the pussy cause him need the assist. Boy, you dog like your lungs, better leave the chalice. Fully marrow pang.
Boy, you dark like your lungs, he did say that. He must say better leave the chalice. Yo, the G answer a lot of things where Fully Bad been a say and did say.
The pussy kind need the assist. Boy, your dog like your lungs, better leave the chalice. Fully marrow up and ground, when please picture this. Boy, mama fall down when the G flick a wrist. Make me tell you all know me no release this a bitch. Boy, body
Man say, I'll know me no release this savage. I'll know me no go hard. I'll know. Right now you say me in the first gear.
fall down when the G flick a wrist. Make me tell you all know me no release this a bitch. Boy, body get froze like meat in a fridge. Pussy.
Boy body get froze like meat in a fridge. Don't a mad on ice. So that him I say. Boy body get froze like meat in a fridge.
Goes when I beef where I live. Them a pick them no ground. Better creep in a crib. And before you throw stone, better seat in a lich. What kind of war this? Batty boy, let me tell you this. Stop talk about man belly and them thing there. I want to your fuck man. I want
yeah. Look at that one. That one that pissed off Demarco. Man say, yo, stop talking about man belly and them thing there. I want to your dog.
Stop talk about man belly and them thing there. I want to your fuck man. I want to your youth. Pussy, sing song and counteract when me I say batty boy. Sing song. Counteract. You know I do that pussy, I go around the thing. Fool.
I saw clash go still. I saw clash go. Counteraction I feel in a song Fully Bad. Counteraction needs to be in song. Fully. Him say a lot of things in another one here where you can counteract my fam. Him say a lot of things in another one where you can sit down. Don't rush it, guys. Don't rush the bumbuckler war. No rush it, man. Sit down. Pencil out where you have pencil out and counteract where you need to counteract. The boss chat some things in the first songs. Zimmy, him chat some things in this song where you need to address, bro. The man said the market so you have a barrow. The man said you can't go back up a squeaky bar. The man chat, what about thing, dog? The man even bring up your baby mother night because you bring up film baby mother from earlier on. You see me? When at 6:30, you get drawn in as a casualty of war. I say, come on, you are a popular female in the industry, if you expect that. But dog, counteract what the man say. Or else I think this war is gonna be finished sooner than how it start. Yes, Fully Bad, you're full of the gun song and thing, but you have to show your versatility in counteracting what he's saying. You understand? You need to counteract some way, must say, at least, bro. You see me? We need some counteraction. We say, yes, war is in the air, war is here. Even though it's here, but if it not counteract, then it'll go done quick. You see me? Anyway, let me know how you think. If you enjoy that one and want some more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new. And I will see you in the next one. Yeah, peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.